trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT back at it again. Today's video, I wanted to talk about something pretty important. So I just got back from work about an hour ago. I was surfing the internet as I usually do, and I randomly just started looking at cars. Alright, don't ask me why. Car guys, you guys probably have this problem too, where you're just on the computer and all of a sudden you end up on Auto Trader or Craigslist and you're just going through cars and cars and cars and window shopping and looking at options and all that. Well, today that didn't end too well for me. Sorry, that's my washing machine. But anyways, that didn't end too well for me today. So as I was going through listings, I had the smart idea to go and look at 2019, you know, the Challengers, and see what the pricing's like and see if there's any changes or anything like that. Well, I found out that the SRT hood has just been giving to the RT, and even maybe like the all-wheel drive GT. I know for the RT for sure, but I'm not sure about the GT just yet. That maybe somebody else will clear up. But it honestly really sucks. Seeing, you know, my exact car pretty much replicated like a billion times into an RT version, it just took away all that like cool factor, I guess, for having like that nice SRT hood. You know, like I don't know, it's not sitting too well with me, man. I'm just like kind of pissed off a little bit, annoyed that that's the route that's being taken. And now I can definitely feel for all the Hellcat guys, especially the people that bought like the wide body or even bought the regular Hellcat. Now you're seeing the Hellcat being replicated onto the Scat Pack. Was this really a smart move by Mopar, by my Dodge to do? Probably not. And I kind of understand what they're doing is they're trying to get rid of all these cars and to kind of do a refresh, to do a redesign. But in the process, I'm sure they're going to be pissing off quite a bit of owners, quite a bit of people. And it doesn't sit too well with the guys that have been with, you know, Mopar since 2015, 16, 17, you know, 18. You're dropping big money into these cars. These cars are not cheap, guys. You know, we're paying a lot to have, you know, the Scat Packs, the SRTs, the Hellcats. You know, so all of a sudden you're taking all that and you're making all the Challengers pretty much look the same. And as if that's not bad enough, that they a lot of them do look the same to the people outside, right? So we're the enthusiasts, we know our cars and we know the differences and we appreciate each, you know, different class, let's say the Scat Pack, SRT, the Hellcats. But now you kind of took that like line of differentiation and you just erased it, you took it off, and now they all look the same. So essentially, if the badge is not there, it's going to be really hard to tell which is which. And that kind of sets a problem, you know, especially say you go to shows, you go to different places. It's just going to take that cool factor, that uniqueness for each car out of the equation, and they're really going to start looking all the same. I was kind of happy when I heard that Dodge wasn't making the SRT anymore. I was like, yes, you know, I got the last of it. This body style is going to be kind of remembered. It's going to look cool with the hood and everything. It's very clean and mean. And now they brought it back. If that's not bad enough, they brought it back, but they brought it back into like the RT. And I don't have nothing against the RT guys. I have nothing against anyone that owns a Challenger that's a V6 or whatever, but I'm just saying there should be a differentiating factor between the different cars, right? Because you know, that's just the way it is. Like if you were buying a car for $20,000 and you're buying a car for $50,000, expectations change a little bit. And that's very normal because you're spending that much more. You want to feel like you're getting something for that much more money. And I get that you're getting the engine and all that, and yes, that's very cool, but a big part of it for a car guy like myself is aesthetics, how the car looks. You know, I'm the type of guy that every time I lock my car, I have to look back at it like 2 to 3 times just to admire it. You know, I admire this beautiful car that I own, and I, you know, hope that other people admire it too and like what they see. So to think that that's kind of getting washed down a little bit, getting a little tarnished by all these other models that are coming out with the exact same body. I mean, the exact same body. It's not just like it's close or it's identical. It's the same. It's the same thing. Apart from the engine, you really wouldn't be able to tell. So that's just kind of something I want to talk about today. I just wanted to let you guys know that's what's going on. And I really wanted to get your guys' opinion on it. I wanted to see what you guys are thinking. You know, do you agree with me when I say that that's really not the nicest thing or the smartest move to do to all your customers, your Mopar enthusiasts, to just, you know, I don't know, just kind of make everything look the same pretty much. We're all gonna be twinning. Hell yeah. Just kidding. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Sorry my energy was a little down, but it's just something I wanted to talk about, get out there, see what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm really curious to see what you guys are thinking, you know, what your thoughts are on it. And you know, would you still buy a 2019 you know, SRT, let's say, or a Scat Pack, or Hellcat, let's say, if the 2019 Hellcat looks the exact same? Me personally, I probably wouldn't, but for other reasons also, because like 2020 is around the corner, which means that the new body style is about to come out. I just hope they blow the new, you know, the old body style out of the water with this new body style and make it all worth it and make it all make sense, because right now it just does not make sense. I'm like trying to understand why they're doing all this. It's not sitting too well. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. I really do appreciate it when you guys hit that subscribe button. We just hit 13,000 subscribers yesterday. Super stoked and thankful for everyone that subscribed and showed love on the channel. I'm sorry I don't produce as much content as I should, but I promise I'll be working on it. And check out my SRT hat. Sorry, Hellcat hat. This one is for Alex. Peace.